Yes, should be good enough.
Might be small enough. You're the kilo stick man too. Put a couple of clamps on it, so you won't slide off.
Well, yeah, boys and girls, RandomIslandNorm here in the woods. Well, looks like me, Eric, and Tony is going to have another bowl up. Finally got around to doing so. And it's winter, even though it doesn't really look like it. It kind of looks like spring, but it's January. And yeah, we're going to have a bowl up by this pond here. Hey, Tony.
Hey, hey Bryce.
And we got the bowl up right in this little spot here. Jeez, what a beautiful day, eh? Anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Would appreciate it so much. Anyway, enjoy the video.
Never seen. Got a bit smaller than the upstairs.
That there, I guess. And we got the wood out to get the Eric's forest started right there.
You get them on out, right? Bridge tree. Get growing wood tree. Wood growing. That's growing. Like you know it. That's why I bring tubes on all the time. The tubes. There you go, there's some dry stuff left. Oh, there, that there should be good. That burns good. That's what he gets far going with a lot of times. Oh yeah, winter's wood here easy. Hey Eric? I said winter's wood here easy.
Oh my god, yes.
No trouble. Right just in this one little spot around here is a winter's wood. No trouble. If the pond was froze over and all that, be easy to get it. Easy all that even much we do. That beans
Oh, there we go.
By a tree, smoke goes up the tree like a chimney. Right? Follows the tree. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Old man's beard. Well, she's going pretty good there now, boys. Yep.
Come out of the woods.
Oh boy, she's gonna go now.
See that advertisement there? Oh yeah, once flame comes out through it. Look out, Dean.
So guys, I got some scallops in a frying pan. I put some olive oil in, so we'll try that, boys. Yes. It's the scallops in the frying pan. Hopefully they'll cook.
Bang.
Yeah.
I like blowing anyway, cold. Well, Bryce, right. We won't have a good feed. There you go.
Well, boys and girls, scallops are done. Oh, there's my lighter. Over in my pocket. Yep, scallops done. Said they're going to be delicious.
You'll keep coming there now, buddy. What do you keep doing now? Lots of smoke. Oh, you always burn it. I can't see.
That's okay, it's normal.
Alright.
Wow.
It's capon here, boys. Smoked capon.
Oh, I gotta eat.
So what's that, herring, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Kippers. Yummy.
I got round ones already. Got them already.
I'm trying to fry up some bacon now. Yummy, yummy.
Some kind of brimstone. I know it's not seed. Because then sparks don't do nothing. Steam coming out here, is it? Yeah. You get so hot. A little fart there pretty.
It's good bacon. Oh, the tea is starting to boil now.
Alright. How's the pottery be? Chicks for free. Oh, I got spoons.
Spoons, eh?
Yes, I brought spoons.
Perfect.
Not a lot of milk, but at least there's some.
Yeah, better than none.
Yeah, that's rare for me. Then I know. So I have a mistake. Here?
Yes.
Well, boys and gals, that was the boil up. Eric and Tony. Gotta say, we had an awesome time. And the food, of course, was delicious. You know, wasn't very healthy for us, but hey, usually boil ups, you don't really bring healthy food to them. Yeah, had a grand old time, and I hope you all enjoyed the video. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And check out my Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok pages. As always, hope you see you guys in the next video. I hope you all have a fantastic day. I know we had a fantastic day. Good old boil up. Yes, it's good to get out, enjoy nature. Yeah. Anyways, guys, take care, and see you later.